Yeah, so I live in Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm training to be a machinist right now, but I'm not a machinist yet. But I wrote a song about being a machinist. So do I have any machinists in here? Anybody? So nobody's going to call me out on this, being too dramatic or... They call me the machinist, the operating fool. I learned more from working here than I ever did in school. Hydration is the key to keep me moving fast. Yo-ho, in a bottle of H2O, I'm mastering my craft. And if you wake up in the morning, button up my shirt, covered with stains and holes, man, it's seen its share of dirt. I get going with my rhythm, just manning the lathes and mills, thankful for this chance to advance in my skill. Don't you know I love my baby? Takes away my blues. She still got the war production label on her from 1942, and she's not always perfect. She gets me all worked up, so I grab the knob and raise the pressure up on her to something like 45 tons. And it's to wake up in the morning to get myself prepared. No one knows what the day's to hold, but somehow I'm not scared. Now listen to my elders, teach me everything I know. Like a bad mamma jam with my hammer in hand, I'm ready to start the show. And I don't know where I would be if it weren't for this industry. Every time I get my hands on a machine, it's like a shot of straight dopamine. Yeah, they call me the machinist, and always will I be. I can't wait to teach the ones who won't be just like me. I'll keep working every day till I can't anymore. Like the one before me, it'll be time for me to pass on the phone. Till then it's to wake up in the morning, button up that shirt, covered with stains and holes. Man, it's seen its share of dirt. I get going with my rhythm, just manning the lathes and mills, thankful for this chance to advance in my skill. Thank you.